Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel, we talk about everything from hair to fashion to beauty to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter. All right, guys, so this is kind of a revisit. I don't think I've actually done a video of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, but I used to wear it back in the day when it first came out very frequently. But I do have a video on the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation, which I will leave the iCard somewhere on the screen, and I will leave it in the description of how I thought about that. I have dry skin, so typically I don't shy away from matte foundations because that's what I prefer, but I do use a either luminizing or dewy primer, so that way it kind of cancels each other out and it stays matte and it doesn't clings my patches. I originally purchased the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the color 1.5, but I ended up returning that one and I got the 112 Cocoa, which I had originally. All right guys, so check out these clips of me using the first 1.5, and then you'll see me using the Cocoa 112. All right guys, so here is my face without any foundation or primer. I think I mentioned it, but I'm not sure, but I was testing out this foundation because I needed something for a wedding that I attended. I'll insert a picture also of how it turned out, but here is the new packaging for the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. They claim that the formula hasn't changed, and I couldn't really tell a difference between how it felt before and now, but here it is. This is the 111.5. The color, it looks okay on camera, but the more I kept trying it, as you'll see later on the video, it was like a shade off, and you could tell more so around my hairline. As you can see, like right there, how it just doesn't blend seamlessly into my hairline. But I love the matte finish, and here you can see one side versus the other. Again, like I said, on camera it looks decent, but just the 112 or 112 just looks the best to me. And I feel like this is probably the best foundation I've tried. New formula, old formula. I really like this L'Oreal Infallible, and it lasts for a long time. All right, I probably had the foundation on for probably 2 minutes or so. Maybe I need to let it rest for a little bit longer. So in the meantime, I'm going to put on this lipstick, but now I don't know where the lipstick. Oh, here it is. This is an oldie but a goodie. I will leave an iCard above of when I originally reviewed this lipstick. This is the L'Oreal lipstick in 201 Everlasting Caramel. Take you guys up to the window so you can see, but I think the color looks, ooh, no, it's too bright. See if it resets. It looks a little cakey to me, but I mean, that's fine. I just need it for something that's more waterproof, sweatproof, because it's going to be hot probably at the wedding. I did notice when I was putting it on, like my cheeks were kind of, I don't know if it's going to zoom in. Sometimes when you try new products, your skin's like, whoa, what is this? And it kind of bumps up a little. So maybe that will go away. You can't really see it. Maybe you guys can see it. I don't know, but I can't see it in the viewfinder. But then again, I don't have my glasses on, so. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Very bridesmaid-esque. Transfer test. So here is white. I'm just gonna press on my face. Okay. Okay. I wish I had Infallible blush. Okay, it's a little bit around my nose area, but I literally just buffed that in because it looked like it was a little too cakey. All right, guys, so it is a completely different day from the other 2 days. I ended up taking the other foundation back, which I'm sure I already explained, but I got the actual color that I had prior to, which is the 112 Cocoa, and I think this is gonna look better. I did a semi-test yesterday, and all I have on my face is primer. I used some Wet n Wild primer or something, but I just wanted to show you guys this color instead of that other, I think it was 11.5 or something like that. Wasn't a fan of that one. So I'm gonna zoom you in and then show you like how well this looks on my skin versus the other one. And I think this might be my Holy Grail foundation. All right. And it always looks so orange. And I'm just going to do one side of my face so you can see the difference. It literally gives like that flawless. This is a bomb drugstore foundation. And I didn't put as much on because I don't really need a full face, but I think this is going to be perfect for the wedding, you know. And I think it's supposed to be medium to full coverage. And I hope that I'm doing it well. But look at how airbrushed, air quotes, airbrushed, or how even toned it looks on this side versus that side. Like, honestly, you can't really tell, but if you see me in person, you can tell, okay, she has on some foundation. No makeup. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm actually wearing the foundation right now. I'm going to take you guys to the window to kind of do a final review before we close out the video. So, of course, it's like super bright up here. But like I said, I'm wearing this. I'm going to wear it after that too, but I'm wearing it to a wedding this coming weekend. And I feel like it looks really good. It looks a lot better. It's not as cakey. I think I put too much on the first time, but I put a little highlight on as well and a little, did I really blush? I can't remember if I did blush, but I know I did highlight for sure. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment below and let me know what your favorite foundation brand is, and maybe I'll check some of those out if I haven't already. All right, catch you guys in my next one.